Breaking weather situation developing right now. A severe thunderstorm warning is the top concern, affecting Cullman, Alabama, Lawrence, Alabama, Morgan, Alabama. Our AI rates this as an 89 out of 100 threat level. Multiple weather systems are active across different regions. We'll continue monitoring these systems and keep you updated. Decatur, Alabama is the warmest at 97 degrees, while Scottsboro, Alabama is the coolest at 91 degrees. Hot conditions dominating. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for severe weather today.